came through, there was a terrific round of applause for these two visitors, and that's really appreciated. Thank you very much, folks, for that.
Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the takeoffs of the Boomerang, the Meteor and the Sailor in trial.
And the 60s and these three aerial combatants atop the field. Listen carefully first up.
The Boomerang now is peeled away from the formation. It's about to demonstrate its size.
Boomerang today being
Boomerang, the 90-day veteran and champion, short-lived, but it was a champ in its day.
Back to main on Darwin.
ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful sight.
Now, it may not have been the world's greatest flight islands to the north of Australia in the latter stages of World War II.